were we in your present time. We were with child. We writhed in pain, but we gave birth to twins. We have not brought salvation to earth, and the people of the world have not been born. But your days were new. Your bodies were alive. Let those who dwell in the dust wake up and shout for joy. Your dew is like the dew of the morning. You will make it fall on the spirit of the dead. Go enter your rooms and shut the doors behind you. Hide yourselves for a little while until his wrath has passed by. See, the Lord is coming out of his wrath to punish the people of the earth for sin. The earth will disclose the blood shed on it. The earth will conceal its slain no longer. In that day, the Lord will punish with his sword. His fierce, great, and powerful sword. The violent and lion. The fire, the cruel serpent, he will slay the monster of the sea. In that day, sing about the fruitful vineyard. I, the Lord, watch over it. I water it continually. I guard it day and night, so that no one will find it. I am not angry. If only your light and force come unto me, I will march against them in battle. I will set them all on fire. But else, let them come to me for refuge. Let them make peace with me. Yes, let them make peace with me. In days to come, Jacob will take it. Israel will burn and bless, and fill all the world with good. Has the Lord struck her as he struck down those who struck her? Has she been killed as those who are killed did be? By warfare and exile he continues. With his fierce blast he drives her out, as on a day the east wind blows. By this will Jacob's guilt be atoned for, and this will be the full fruit of the removal of the sin. When he makes all the altar stones to be like limestone, crushed to pieces, no Yeshua food or incense altars will be that stand. The fortified city stands desolate, and abandoned settlements, forsaken like the wilderness. There it stands. There they lie down. They strip its branches bare. When its twigs are dry, they are broken off, and women come and make fire. For this is a people without understanding. So their Maker has no compassion on them, and their Creator shows them no favor. In that day, the Lord will thresh from the flowing Euphrates to the waters of Egypt, and Israel will be gathered up one by one. And in that day, a great trumpet will sound. Those who were perishing in Assyria and those who were exiled in Egypt will come and worship the Lord on the holy mountain in Jerusalem. Woe to that day! The pride of Ephraim's drunkenness, to the fading flower of his glorious beauty set on the head of a fertile valley. To that city, the pride of those laid low by God. See, the Lord has one who is powerful and strong, like a hailstorm and a destructive wind, like a driving rain and a flooding downpour. He will throw it forcefully to the ground. At least, the pride of Ephraim's drunkenness will be trampled underfoot. That fading cloud, his glorious beauty, set on the head of a fertile valley, will be like fields ripening before harvest.